Hey everyone, is your phone constantly showing the error Google Play services keep stopping? That can be really frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I'll share some easy fixes to put an end to this problem for good. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning on your airplane mode. Then after 10 seconds, turn it back off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear cache and data of Google Play services. Go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Tap See All Apps or search for Google Play services. Tap on it, then go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Storage. Solution 2. Ensure correct date and time settings. Open your device's settings. Now scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Now tap on Date and Time. Ensure that our automatic date and time and automatic time zone are enabled. This synchronizes your device's time with network providers. Solution 3. Check for Android system updates. An outdated Android operating system can lead to compatibility issues with apps like Play Store. Go to Settings, then Software Update. Tap Download and Install any available updates. Following these simple steps will help fix the Google Play services keep stopping error on your Android device. Thanks for watching.